Hello and welcome to my channel, where I share motivation, financial freedom, and personal development tips. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to be a successful YouTube CEO in 2023. Yes, you heard me right. You can be the boss of your own YouTube channel and make it grow like never before. You just need to follow these simple steps that I'm going to share with you right now. Step 1. Define your vision and mission. The first step to becoming a successful YouTube CEO is to define your vision and mission. What is the purpose of your channel? What value do you provide to your audience? What are your goals and objectives? These are the questions that you need to answer before you start creating content. Your vision and mission will guide your decisions and actions as a YouTube CEO. They will also help you communicate your brand identity and message to your viewers. You can write down your vision and mission statements in a document or on a board, and refer to them whenever you need inspiration or direction. Step 2. Know your audience and competitors. The second step to becoming a successful YouTube CEO is to know your audience and competitors. Who are the people that watch your videos? What are their demographics, interests, preferences, pain points, and needs? How can you serve them better than anyone else? You also need to know who are your competitors in your niche. What are their strengths and weaknesses? What are their strategies and tactics? How can you differentiate yourself from them? To know your audience and competitors, you need to do some research. You can use tools like YouTube Analytics, Google Trends, or Keyword Planner to see what people are searching for online and what kind of content they are watching. You can also read comments, reviews, feedback, and suggestions from your viewers and other creators. Step 3. Create high-quality content. The third step to becoming a successful YouTube CEO is to create high-quality content. Content is the core of your YouTube channel. It is what attracts, engages, educates, entertains, and converts your viewers into loyal fans and customers. To create high-quality content, you need to follow some best practices. Here are some of them. Plan your content ahead of time. Have a content calendar that outlines what topics, formats, styles, and keywords you will use for each video. Use a good camera, microphone, lighting, and editing software. These will improve the production value of your videos and make them look more professional. Optimize your videos for SEO, search engine optimization. Use keywords in your title, description, tags, thumbnails, etc. This will help your videos rank higher on YouTube and Google search results. Make your videos engaging, entertaining, informative, and valuable. Use storytelling techniques, humor, emotion, facts, statistics, examples, etc. You want to capture your audience's attention and keep them hooked until the end. Include a call to action at the end of each video. This is where you ask your viewers to do something, such as like, comment, share, subscribe, click a link, buy a product, etc. Step 4. Grow your channel and community. The fourth step to becoming a successful YouTube CEO is to grow your channel and community. This is where you increase your reach, visibility, authority, influence, and revenue on YouTube. To grow your channel and community, you need to follow some strategies. Here are some of them. Upload consistently and frequently. This will help you build trust and loyalty with your audience and algorithm. Collaborate with other creators in your niche or related niches. This will help you cross-promote each other's channels and expose yourself to new audiences. Interact with your viewers and other creators. Reply to comments, ask for feedback, encourage discussions, join groups, participate in challenges, etc. Promote your channel on other platforms. Share your videos on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc., or on websites like Reddit, Quora, Medium, etc. Monetize your channel. There are many ways to make money from your YouTube channel, such as ads, sponsorships, merchandise, memberships, donations, etc. These are just some of the steps that you can take to become a successful YouTube CEO in 2023. Of course, there are many more steps that I haven't mentioned here, but these are the ones that I personally use and recommend. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.